So hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna solve problem number 34, that is find first and last position of element in sorted array. So in this problem we are given a sorted array and a target value. We have to find the first index and the last index of the target value in that array if it is present. Otherwise we have to return -1 as both the index as an array. So for the first example, we are given this array and 8 as our target value. So the first occurrence of 8 is at index 3 and the last occurrence of 8 is at index 4. So we have to return 3 and 4 as an array like this. And if we don't find the target element in the array, so we have to return -1 two times as an array like this. And it is also mentioned that the complexity of our algorithm must be O of log n. So that means we have to perform binary search. We have to perform binary search two times, one for finding the first index, another for finding the last index. So let's understand the solution with animation. So there are total 4 steps that we have to follow. Step 1, create 2 pointers and point them at both ends. Step 2, create another pointer and point it to the middle of them. So for checking the first index, our step 3 will be if the middle pointer pointing to the target and the previous value is not our target, then this index would be our first occurred index. And for checking the last occurrence, we have to check if the middle pointer is pointing to the target and the next value is not our target, then that index would be our last occurred index. Otherwise, we have to do same as binary search for both the cases. And we have to do it until it satisfies our step 3. For example, I am taking the first example of Leetcode. So this is our array and our target value is 8. So now we have to create 2 pointers, left and right. So now we have to create another pointer that will point to the middle of them. Now our middle pointer is not pointing to the target element, so we have to do binary search. So the left pointer should be moved at the next index of the middle element. So now we have to check for this portion. Now create middle value, and now our middle value is pointing to the target element, but there are another target element just before it. So we have to do binary search again. So in this case, we have to move our right pointer just before the middle pointer. So now left and right pointer is pointing to the same element, that is our target element. So now we have to also create a middle pointer. So the middle pointer is also pointing to the same index, and the middle value 8 is our target value, and the previous value of it is not our target value. So we can say this is the first occurrence of our target value. So we can say 3 is our first occurrence of that target value for this array. So let's find the last index using binary search again. So we need 2 pointers, left and right, and we need also another pointer that will point to the middle of them. So this is the middle pointer. Now our middle pointer is not pointing to the target element, so we have to move the left pointer after the middle pointer, same as binary search. So we have to create the middle pointer again. Now you can see our middle pointer is pointing to the target element and there are no target element after that. So we can say this is the last occurrence of the target element for this array. So we can say 4 is our last index of that target value. So we have to return these 3 and 4 as an array. I hope the explanation was helpful to you. If it was, you can like this video and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. So let's go and implement it on Leetcode.